guys, I want to show you like a 30-minute meal that's so good. So I have some wild Alaskan salmon. I buy it frozen, and this is going to just be for me. So I'm making 2 fillets so I can have one for lunch tomorrow. So what you do is you mix up 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of butter melted, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So it's like a honey Dijon, right? And you just spread that all over the top of the salmon. Now, if I've had salmon that did not have skin on it, I would do both sides, but this has skin on the back of it, so I'm just doing one side. So you spread that all over the salmon, and I just love the combination of Dijon and honey together. And then I have some chopped pecans, and I'm just going to sprinkle the chopped pecans on top of the salmon. So think about this. The omega-3 fat in the salmon is awesome, right? I used grass-fed butter, which is a really healthy fat. And then I'm putting on here some chopped pecans, which is another healthy fat. So this is very satisfying, very satiating. And what I'm doing with this is I have a sweet potato in my toaster oven, and I always bake a big one, and then I just cut it in half. And again, that way I have the other salmon fillet, half the sweet potato, and then I have broccoli ready to go in my steamer, and I'll steam some broccoli. Literally 30 minutes, because you heat the oven to 400, and then you put this in there for 10 minutes. Now, I like medium rare salmon. This is not very thick. You can see they're not very thick. So 10 minutes is going to be plenty. If you have a thicker fillet, you might go longer. 400 degrees, 10 minutes. While I'm doing that, I'm steaming my broccoli. My potato will be done. Dinner is done. So don't make it complicated. Don't make healthy eating complicated. This is a really simple, easy dinner. You have a great rest of your day. Bye.
And if you want more tips like this, make sure and follow me on Divine Farmer Health.